How much money you make is not up to me, it's up to you. The choices you make every single day determine your financial future. Your financial destiny is not written in the stars. It's not something that just happens to you. It's a matter of choice. The small, seemingly insignificant decisions you make can have a huge impact. Every day you make decisions. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, you are constantly choosing. These decisions shape your life, especially your financial well-being. Are you mindful of the financial choices you make? Are you going to spend or save? Each choice has a consequence. Learn a new skill or watch TV, invest in yourself or waste time. You are in the driver's seat. You have the power to steer your life in the direction you want. The first step to becoming a millionaire is believing you can. Self-belief is crucial. You need to adopt a millionaire mindset. This means thinking strategically and long-term. This means thinking differently about money, risk, and opportunity. It's about being proactive. It's about seeing abundance where others see scarcity. It's about recognizing potential. It's about having the courage to go after what you want, taking risks and overcoming obstacles. Remember, your mindset is your most powerful asset. Cultivate it, nurture it, and let it guide you to success. Imagine two people standing at the beginning of their careers, full of potential and dreams. Both start with the same opportunities, the same resources, and the same ambitions. One chooses the path of continuous learning and smart investing, dedicating time to understand the financial world. They take calculated risks, seek advice from experts, and build their wealth steadily over time. The other person, however, sticks to what they know, avoiding any form of risk or change. They avoid risk and live paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about their financial situation. Who do you think will achieve financial freedom? The answer is clear and undeniable. The person who takes control of their financial education, makes informed decisions, and embraces smart choices will ultimately prosper. Statistics paint a stark picture, highlighting the importance of financial literacy and proactive planning. Many Americans struggle with savings and retirement, often finding themselves unprepared for the future. Millions are trapped in a cycle of debt, unable to break free from financial burdens. But it doesn't have to be this way. There is always a way out. You have the power to change your financial future. With the right knowledge and determination, you can achieve financial freedom and security. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Educate yourself about personal finance. Learn about budgeting, investing, and building multiple income streams. The internet is an incredible resource. There are countless books, podcasts, and online courses available. Don't let this overwhelm you. Start small. Dedicate just 30 minutes each day to learning something new. Remember, the most successful people are lifelong learners. They never stop investing in themselves. The middle class is shrinking, and it's becoming harder for many to make ends meet. The gap between the rich and the poor is widening, creating a stark contrast in our communities. You can choose to be a bystander or take action. The power to change your future lies in your hands. Get the skills you need to thrive in today's economy. Education and training are key to unlocking new opportunities. Get educated about personal finance. Understanding how to manage your money can make a significant difference. Take action and start building the future you deserve. Every small step counts towards a bigger goal. Remember, success is not a spectator sport. It requires dedication, effort, and perseverance. It's about making proactive choices and taking control of your destiny. The choice is yours. Start today and shape your tomorrow. If you're ready to change your life, hit the like and subscribe button for more success insights.